Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on DMs for everyone on Discord in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. Now go to your user settings. Here you can see privacy and safety. Press on it. Now scroll down. Here you can see allow direct messages from server members. You just have to turn on this button. Click on yes. So this is how to turn on DMs for everyone on Discord in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.